Welcome to Emma 3D English! Let's learn English together! Beep, beep. My phone is ringing. Good morning, I need my phone. Oh no, my phone is dead. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Good morning, Lily. Mom, my phone is not working.
That's okay. You can have a phone-free day.
A day without a phone? Phone? Yes, try something new.
Lily, you should try it. Okay, I will try.
That's the spirit! Good morning, everyone!
Where is your phone today?
It is not working. What happened? It's okay, sweetie.
We'll figure it out together. That's not a big problem. Really?
Really?
Yes. Enjoy your day.
We will, Dad. Thank you.
Maybe I can try. I feel a little strange. They are having fun. Wait, this is great. They're so happy. Maybe I can join them. Hi, can I play with you? Of course! Come play! This is fun! I feel so happy!
Time is going fast. The sun is moving so fast. Wow, time really flies. I don't need my phone. The world is beautiful. I feel peaceful.
What a nice day. I am back home.
Welcome back, Lily.
Mom, I had so much fun. Tell me about your day. I went to the park and played on the swings. Then we had ice cream and I made a new friend.
I played with new friends.
That's wonderful. No phone all day?
Yes, and it was great.
It really was.
I'm so glad.
I told you.
You were right.
Let's have dinner together.
Yes, let's do it.
This feels nice.
Yeah, it really does.
I'm glad we're all together.
Me too. This is the best. Definitely.
The day is ending.
Today will be great. Yeah, it will. I can't wait.
The phone is still there. But I choose real life.
Do you like this story? Please like this video.
Subscribe to Emma 3D English for more fun stories.